Keyframe animation has its roots in the traditions of cell animation. And while creating complex animations can be done by only keyframing various parts of an animated object, this method is what's known as forward kinematics. In the process of forward kinematics, you animate one joint at a time by rotating it and positioning where it needs to be at a specific frame. Creating complex animatable structures, such as complex characters or mechanical systems, can quickly become near impossible tasks using forward kinematics. This is where inverse kinematics becomes an invaluable tool in the animator's toolkit within 3ds Max. Inverse kinematics, or IK for short, simplifies the animation process of complex hierarchical structures. It does this by allowing the animator to move only the child of the hierarchy, while the IK figures out how to move the rest of the chain. There are two key components of the IK system. Bones provide a framework and a low-resolution visual representation of the hierarchical structure of the model that you're going to be animating. Bones are especially useful for animating characters as well as complex mechanical systems. The second component is the IK solver itself. This creates an inverse kinematic solution that rotates and positions the links or bones that make up the IK chain. The combination of using bones with IK solvers is known as rigging. Rigging has a variety of uses. One of the more common uses is to create character rigs. The character is designed to make it easier for the animator to animate the position of the character and its limbs in other parts. The second use for rigging is for mechanical systems. For example, the arm of a backhoe can be set up with bones and an IK chain to allow an animator to easily animate all the parts of the arm in a very simple way. If you watch any 3D animated film put out by major production companies, chances are that all the characters and major animated structures have some form of rig developed to animate that structure and make it easier for the animator.